Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to look at a bunch of time examples over about 10 different tutorials or so. This is just an introduction. We're going to look at minutes. We're going to look at seconds. We're going to look at hours. We're going to look at arrival times like here. We're going to add. So we want to add 18 minutes. The first instinct is, well, why don't I just add 18 to 1 p.m.? Try it. Just try it. See what happens. Then come back to me and going, well, Brad, that just did nothing for me. That's right. We have to convert this 18 into something, into its equivalent. What we have to do is go 1 plus, here's our 1, C5, which is this. How many minutes in a day? There's 24 hours times 60. And I bet you're going to get 1440. So what I did, for simplicity, we have an arrival and arrival. Over here on your right, there's a write-up. And I'm kind of repeating exactly what I have over here. We have a mod. Why? Because we're looking for the divisor. What's the divisor in this case? It should be the 18. Forget about the mod. We're going to go B5, C5, 14, divided by 14, 14. This is the minutes. That's all we're doing. We have to convert it over into XL time. And then mod, if you know, C ran between 1 to 1500. Well, there's 1440. What happens if we go over, let's say midnight? If we go past midnight, let's just type in 1500. We know that's going to be 1 a.m. Down the road, what happens typically, not in this situation, if we're doing something time related, you can run into a conflict here where this is going to go over. It's not going to roll over. This rolled over to 1 p.m. Let's do this because the AM is usually the break point. See it converted over. And in some cases, it won't do it. It's usually dates we run into this problem, and that's why we use the mod function. We need to keep consistently when we're counting. We want to be able to count in anything that goes over 12 a.m. We want to still be able to count instead of it starting over. I'll explain more about that later, but there's a quick introduction to time, and we have a whole bunch more to cover, and we'll do that here just after I turn this off. Brad Williams, hey, thanks for watching.